Alright, today we're going to be installing a CTS turbo short shifter on the Mk5 GTI. We're going to take these off first, and we're going to do that now. Okay, that's out. Also part of the intake.
What the fuck is that, dude?
I've just taken this clip out from right there. We're trying to push that pin in, but it's not working.
Try pushing harder.
We're gonna unscrew the entire shifter chooser thing. So yeah, we're gonna see if we get more play, and we'll be able to take that pin off. We took this one off. That actually didn't help at all with taking that pin out. So the key to pushing this inside part out is to squeeze on all sides of that little plastic piece and then push this assembly down, this black piece. I don't know the names for any of these pieces.
Yeah, they don't need to know we're pointing at them.
True.
They'll be fine.
All right, we got the original shifter out. You just gotta pull it. It helps to kind of rotate it this way so it doesn't hit this cable down here, and then a bit of force and it'll just come off.
Oh yeah, it's working all right.
This is the CTS turbo short shifter. It's the original one. Yeah, as you can see, the distance here and here is way less than this shit.
Way less.
So the kit came with 2 pins. This one is apparently for like Mark 4s, and 5 and 6s will use the skinnier one. It was a bit tight, but we got it on. Just push down.
Wiggle it.
Yeah,
Push down harder.
Down.
Yeah.
Like it's tightening at a
Okay.
normal rate.
That's good.
Okay, that's getting tighter. Should I just strip it?
Wait.
It's moving. Okay, so just keep pushing back on this piece.
Oh yeah, it moved.
Okay, that's
Hey.
good.
There it is.
And after we put that clip back there, that circular one, it should be all good. Should be everything.
The right way.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it. That's for
beautiful.
sure.
That's a beauty.
Yeah. Okay, let me try the shifter. There's like huge difference.
Huge?
Yeah. If you guys know what a GTI shifter feels like, this feels so much better.
They feel like fucking trash.
Yeah, it feels like fucking diaper. Yo, you give it a try. It's installed. The intake's back in, and that's it.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.